Describe a long journey you had. You should say where you went, who you had the journey with, why you had the journey, and explain how you felt about the journey.
To be honest, I don't usually enjoy long journeys because they can be quite tiring. However, one long journey that left a deep impression on me was a trip I took to Ho Chi Minh City a few years ago. I went there with my colleagues from university to attend an academic workshop and take part in several professional development activities. Since we were trying to save costs, we decided to travel by overnight train, which took more than 30 hours, making it a truly long journey. The main reason for this journey was work-related. I wanted to improve my professional knowledge, exchange ideas with other lecturers, and gain more experience in teaching English. At the same time, it was also a good opportunity for us to strengthen our relationships and explore a new city together. Although the journey was physically exhausting at times, I actually felt quite positive about it. We talked, shared stories, and even played simple games to pass the time. Watching the changing scenery along the way was also surprisingly relaxing. In the end, the journey turned out to be a meaningful experience, and it helped me realize that long journeys can be enjoyable when you travel with the right people.